Atmosphere of Saturn contains which one of the following gas in large quantity? So 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, मीथेन एंड नाइट्रोजन. So out of these 4, methane is in large quantity. Composition of Saturn, it is around 96%, more than 96%, it is made of hydrogen, then helium 3.25%, and the next that is methane and ammonia. Next question, Karakum Desert is situated in which of the following countries? So Karakum Desert, that is in Turkmenistan. So we can see here, this is the Karakum Desert and that is in Turkmenistan. So option A is correct here. Next question, famous Ruhr coalfield is situated in which of the following countries? So Ruhr coalfield, ये कहाँ पे है? It is in Germany. It is in Germany. The Ruhr is a large coalfield located in west of Germany in North Rhine-Westphalia. Ruhr represents one of the largest coal reserves in Germany, having estimated reserves of 42 billion tons of coal. So इस मैप में रूर कोलफील्ड कहाँ पे होगा? It is north to Rhine-Westphalia. So Rhine river we can see here. So this is the Rhine river, and Ruhr coalfield is somewhere here. अगला प्रश्न, मैच लिस्ट 1 विद लिस्ट 2 एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द कोड गिवन बिलो इन द लिस्ट. लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2. लिस्ट 1 क्या है? ओशियन, एंड लिस्ट 2 है मैक्सिमम डीपेस्ट पॉइंट. पैसिफिक ओशियन में मैक्सिमम डीपेस्ट पॉइंट जो है दैट इज Mariana Trench. So you can see here in the map Pacific Ocean, that is Mariana Trench here. Indian Ocean, that is Java Trench. इसे हम सुमडा ट्रेंच भी बोलते हैं. Now in Arctic Ocean it is Molloy Hole. Then in Atlantic Ocean it is Puerto Rico Trench, and in Southern Ocean it is South Sandwich Trench. So let's match the list. Pacific Ocean it is Mariana. Arctic it is Molloy Hole, Molloy Deep. Indian Ocean it is Sunda Trench. Atlantic it is Puerto Rico Trench. So in this way, this is 3, 4, 1, 2. We'll go with option B. Next one, with reference to Borneo Island located in Southeast Asia, which of the following statements are true? It is divided among 3 countries. That's correct. It has been formed due to volcano deposition. No. So we'll see how it has been formed. So in this way, our D option is correct. Only one. Borneo Island is divided into Brunei, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Here you can see this is Brunei, this is Malaysia, and remaining these are the part of Indonesia. Now Borneo Island, it is formed due to the accretion of microcontinental fragments of phyllites, terranes, and island arc. So there is accretion of these fragments of phyllites, terranes, and island arc on what? On the crust of the Paleozoic continental core. On the crust of the Paleozoic continental core. So इस वे में this Borneo Island has been formed. Next question, the demographic dividend is What is demographic dividend? That is working population of 15 to 59 years. So option D is correct here. Definition: demographic dividend as defined by the United Nations Population Fund UNFPA is the economic growth potential that can result from the shift in population age structure, mainly when the share of the working age population, and that is 15 years to 59 years, is larger than the non-working age share of the population. And what are non-working age share of population? That is below 14 years and above or equal to 60 years old people. So here you can see the demographic dividend graph. If you see that US, this graph, the yellow one, this is almost flat. And if you talk about India, that is in light blue. So this one is steadily increasing. And if you talk about China, so it has been attained its peak. Now it's declining. And Africa, if you can see that Africa, the demographic dividend is increasing with rapid rate. Next question is, which one of the following is a landlocked country? So in South America map, we can see that this Bolivia and Paraguay, they are landlocked country. So option D is correct here. Now one more question is here. If you can see that Brazil is almost touching boundaries of all the countries inside South America. But which countries are there which are not sharing the boundary with Brazil? And they are Ecuador here and Chile. You can see Chile is not sharing the boundary with the Brazil, and others are, except these two, others are sharing the boundaries with the Brazil. So here it is Ecuador, not Uruguay, it is Chile. Now given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other as reason. Assertion is rainfall occurs in winter season in Mediterranean climate. This is correct. Reason: in summer these regions remains under the influence of dry terrestrial winds. That is also correct. Let's see. So here option D is correct. Both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of A. Let's see how. Talking about Mediterranean region, so in the map we can see that this is between 30° north to 45° north, or 30° south to 45° south. Let's talk about this Mediterranean basin. So during the winter season, if you can see here on pressure belt in this map, the pressure belt on the earth, so you can see that this region 30 to 45°, I mean this region is under the influence of prevailing westerlies, So westerlies are flowing on these regions. So when westerlies flow, so you can see that in Mediterranean region, these winds are coming from the ocean. That's why they are bringing the moisture. On the land, on these areas. So that's why they are resulting into the rain. Now in summer season, what happens? In summer season, these belts they shift towards the north. So we have seen that ITCZ that shift towards the north in summer season. So when they shift towards the north, what happens? Now these Mediterranean region, they comes under the influence of sterlies. They comes under the influence of sterlies. Now sterlies flows on these region, and since sterlies, they are coming from the terrestrial lands, that's why they are not bringing any moisture. So they are not resulting into the rain, and there is a dry season there. So in this way, our assertion and reasons are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next one, which of the following island is not located in Caribbean Sea? Let's see. So it is Madeira or Madeira, that is not in Caribbean Sea. Other are in Caribbean Sea. If you see that Grenada, you can see that is somewhere here. This is Grenada Island. Montserrat. So Montserrat you can find here. This is Montserrat. Anguilla, here it is Anguilla. So all these islands, they are inside Caribbean Sea, but Madeira, it is in Atlantic Ocean, somewhere here. It is in Atlantic Ocean. So it is part of Portugal. It is part of Portugal. Next one, the National Disaster Management Division in India is the nodal division in the Ministry of Home Affairs for disaster management. Who is the ex officio chairman of the National Disaster Management Authority? So it is Prime Minister. It is Prime Minister. Factual question. Next one, which one of the following is not a major cocoa producer country? So major cocoa producer countries, they are Ivory Coast, Ghana, Ecuador, Cameroon, Nigeria. So here we can see that Latvia is not the major cocoa producing country. Latvia is not the major producing country. Next question, which one of the following cause is responsible for rainfall during the winter in northwestern part of India? So it is due to the western disturbance. Agla question, which of the following state has the lowest density of population as per census of 2011? So it is Arunachal Pradesh. So let's see, Indian population density, it is around 431 person per square kilometer. Highest population density is in Bihar, that is 1014 person per square kilometer. Lowest it is in Arunachal Pradesh, that is 17 person per square kilometer. Uttar Pradesh has population density, and that is 828 persons per square kilometer. Next one, with reference to NTPC unit at Singrauli, which of the following statement is correct? It is situated in northern part of Chhattisgarh state. It is NTPC's oldest unit. First is not correct, second is correct. So B is our answer. NTPC Singrauli, that is in Sonbhadra, UP, and this is the oldest unit which has been established in 1977. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So list 1 में क्या है? List 1 में है मिनरल एक्सप्लोरेशन एजेंसीज, लिस्ट 2 में है हेडक्वार्टर. ऑयल एंड गैस कमीशन, ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस कमीशन ONGC, the headquarter is in New Delhi. Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited, MECL, that is in Nagpur, the headquarter is in Nagpur. National Mineral Development Corporation NMDC, that is in, the headquarter is in Bhubaneswar. National Aluminium Company Limited, that is Nalco, you can say, the headquarter is in Hyderabad. Next question, with reference to Socotra Island, which of the following statement is correct? It is an island of Oman situated in the Arabian Sea. It was designated as a World Natural Heritage Site by UNESCO in 2008. Option B is correct. Option 2 is correct, while option 1 is not correct. So Yemen, the Socotra Island is a part of Yemen, not Oman. So we can see here, this is the Yemen and it is Socotra Island here. Next one, which of the following is the largest lagoon lake situated on the east coast of India? So east coast of India में largest lagoon कौन सा है? Very famous, and that is Chilka. Chilka is in Odisha. So here we can see this is Chilka. Pulicat Lake, that is second largest lagoon, that is in Andhra. Koleru Lake is in Andhra. Kaliveli Lake, that is in Tamil Nadu. Largest freshwater lake in India, and that is Buller Lake, that is in Jammu and Kashmir. Next one, which of the following is not correctly matched? So list 1 में है institute, list 2 में है location. Let's see. International Center for Research on Agroforestry, that is in Nairobi. Yes, it is correct. Indian Institute of Forest Management, that is in Bhopal. Yes, it is correct. C. Central Agroforestry Research Institute. Central Agroforestry Research Institute is in Jhansi. Tata Energy Research Institute, that is in New Delhi. So this is also correct. So option C is not correct, that's why option C is our answer. Central Agroforestry Research Institute, that is in Jhansi. Next one, which of the following is not correctly matched? Hondro waterfall, that is on Subarnrekha river, that is correct. Chachai waterfall, that is on Bihar river, that is also correct. Dhuandhar waterfall, that is on Narmada river, yes, that is also correct. Budha Ghag waterfall, that is given that Kanchi river, this is not correct. Let's see. Hondro waterfall is in Jharkhand, that is on Subarnrekha. Chachai waterfall is in MP, that is on Bihar river. Dhuandhar is in MP, that is on Narmada river. Dudh Sagar waterfall, so don't get confused with these two. Dhuandhar is in MP Narmada, while Dudh Sagar waterfall, that is in Goa on Mandovi river. Budha Ghag, also known as Lodh waterfall, that is in Jharkhand and that is on Budi river. So Budha Ghag or Lodh waterfall is in Jharkhand on Budi river. Dasam waterfall, that is also in Jharkhand and that is on Kanchi river. Gogak is in Karnataka and that is on Ghatprabha river. Sorry. Next one, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below in the list. So list 1 is volcano mountain, list 2 is country. Mount Rainier. So Mount Rainier is in USA. Mount Etna is in Italy. Mount Pericutine that is in Mexico, and Mount Apo, that is in Philippines. That is in Philippines. So option B is correct here. 4, 1, 2, 3. Mount Rainier is in USA, Mount Etna is in Italy, Mount Paricutin, that is in Mexico, and Mount Apo, that is in Philippines. Next one, which of the following river is not part of Indian Ganga river basin? Punpun river, yes. Ajoy river, yes. Jalangi river, yes. So Punpun, Ajoy and Jalangi, they are the part of Ganga river basin, while Jong river, option D, Jong river is the tributary of Mahanadi river. So option D is correct here. Next two, Nobi and Kanto plains are located in which of the following countries? Nobi and Kanto, they are in Japan. They are in Japan. So this is map. So here we can see Japan is divided in these areas. So you can see that these are the kind of island: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, Kyushu. Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. And here you can see that these are the plain area: Kanto plain, Nobi plain, Yamato plain. Kanto plain, Nobi plain and Yamato plains. So Nobi and Kanto, they are part of the Japan. Next one, which of the following countries is not located on the bank of Black Sea? So Black Sea देख लेंगे कौन कौन सी countries हैं. So here we can see that it is Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, and then it is Russia, Georgia, Turkey. Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Turkey. BRU, RGT. BRU, RGT. They are the part of, they are the on the bank of the Black Sea. So which is not, so it is Syria. So option A is correct here. Now let's see Caspian Sea. So which are the countries on the bank of Caspian Sea? So they are Russia, Kazakhstan, then Turkmenistan, Iran, Azerbaijan. So they are on the bank of Caspian Sea. So you can remember like this. Tariq. So it is Turkmenistan, then we have Azerbaijan, then Russia, then here it is Iran, then Kazakhstan. Similarly, you can go through the countries which are on the bank of Mediterranean Sea. So वो कौन कौन सी है यहाँ पे? स्पेन, फ्रांस, मोनाको, इटली, स्लोवानिया, क्रोएशिया, बोस्निया एंड हर्जेगोविना, Montenegro, then Albania, then Greek, then Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and here Egypt, then Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco. So these are the country, a lot of countries which are on the bank of Mediterranean Sea.